During this video, we will show you how to update the Optisoft.NET software. Like most pieces of software, Optisoft now has an automatic rollout of its updates. When applying the update, it is important to make sure you update your server machine first, followed by all the workstations. If, when you start the software, you notice the following update pop up, an update is available for you to download and install on your system. In order to apply the update, you first of all need to make sure that Optisoft is closed down. Then click on the Update button and wait for the update to install. Once the update has started, it is important that it isn't cancelled halfway through. When the update is completed, you can click on the Finish button. The update has now been applied and you can restart the software. And that is how you apply an update to Optisoft.NET.